Hello everyone. This video will show you how to restore your Notezilla data from backup. Restoring notes from backup is very easy and convenient. Let's see how. From the Windows search bar, search for Notezilla Troubleshooter. The following window will appear. Select this option to restore your Notezilla data. You can restore data from a custom folder, or from Notezilla's backup folder. Select a backup set. Click on Restore. That's it. Notes data restored within seconds. The Notes browser will automatically open, so that you can check the notes restored. You can revert to the previous data, if you are not satisfied with the current data restored, or restore from another data set. Click on Yes and finish. Thank you. Try Notezilla for free. Download from our website conceptworld.com.